Hi and welcome to Computer Repairs with Rob. In today's episode I want to show you how to remove Bitlocker, which is a drive encryption lock program on your computer on a hard drive. In this case, Bitlocker is on the computer, but it's not actually locked in the sense that the password hasn't been put in and enabled. To remove Bitlocker on one that's actually password locked, you would have to use the password, I believe. That's perhaps for another video, but for this one today, it's just removing the Bitlocker program that is sitting there waiting to be locked, but is not actually locked. And the reason I want to remove it is because it makes cloning the drive easier. So the goal is to clone the drive to another drive, to update it, perhaps to solid state or something. But in order to do that, it's much easier to remove and quicker to remove the Bitlocker first. So that's what I want to show you how to do today. So here we go. Stay tuned. Okay, so right now you can see that the drive E, if you look here at local disk E, it has a lock symbol and this exclamation mark. So that means that that drive has Bitlocker on it, although it's not actually locked. But you do need, so the one way to remove that is to open a command prompt and as administrator and type in the command to free it up. So I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to do a search here. Okay, for command cmd, we want to run as administrator right here. Yes, and at the command line, so we realize that that's disk E. So at the command line, we're going to type in manage, M-A-N-A-G-E dash BDE for Bitlocker drive encryption, space, and then a dash, and then the word off, because we want to turn it off, and then a space. And in this case, it's the drive letter D, so E colon, so manage dash BDE space dash off space E colon in this case. In some cases it might be C drive, depending on the computer. And if I hit enter, decryption is now in progress. That, because it's not actually fully locked, the process will be fairly quick. In this case it might be 5 minutes, maybe 10 at the most. And right now the drive is flashing, and that lock symbol over here will disappear when it's finished. So I'll show you in a moment when it's done that that's gone. Okay, so now you can see that this drive E here, is free of that lock symbol. So Bitlocker has been removed, and the drive is now free to be cloned in a normal fashion. I just want to show you that that's the way you can get rid of Bitlocker if need be. Sometimes the Bitlocker is on there. It's not actually locked. When that lock symbol is open like that, it means Bitlocker is there. And in order to clone the drive by a normal, quicker means, you have to remove it using that command prompt. That's one way to do it anyways. I hope you've enjoyed this video. You have a great day.